गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो वीडियो के टाइटल से आपको पता लग गया होगा कि आज का वीडियो किस टॉपिक के ऊपर होने वाला है। तो आज मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करने जा रही हूँ मेरा पर्सनल मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ बिगिनर्स मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल, क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी प्रो नहीं हूँ मेकअप में। आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग, लाइक आई एम एट अ वेरी इनिशियल stage of using makeup. So I'm still learning, so you can call my makeup like a beginner's makeup tutorial. So guys can see I have not applied anything. I have done my normal skincare routine which I follow, and I have applied a lip balm. So now we will start doing the makeup. So the first thing which I use, or which everyone uses, is a primer. So I am skipping primer because I have put on some aloe vera gel at the time of doing my skincare. So it's almost like using a primer. So guys, for foundation I have two options with me. First is this Maybelline's Fit Me, and second one is L'Oreal Infallible 24 hours foundation. So this is pro matte foundation, and this is also matte foundation. You can go for any of these foundations. I have these two. So today I am going to use this L'Oreal's Infallible 24 hour pro matte foundation. So what you need to do is that put some foundation in your palm, like I am putting it here, this, and you just need to हाथ में अच्छे से फैलाकर
आप टैप टैप करके अपनी स्किन में यूज कर सकते हो। And you need a blender to blend this. While blending this, just make sure that it blends very well with your skin, like it doesn't show up at all. क्योंकि मेकअप करने के बाद अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा पता चलता है, then it looks really patchy in your skin, which no one likes. क्योंकि मेकअप करने के बाद अगर पता चले वो भर भर के कि आपने मेकअप किया है, तो it doesn't look good, right?
So you can see मैंने अप्लाई कर लिया फाउंडेशन. Just look at it. So for best results you can put a makeup fixer first in this beauty blender and then you can apply it. तो उससे क्या होता है ना, आपका फाउंडेशन बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड भी होता है और साथ में ये स्किन बहुत सोक इन कर लेता है फाउंडेशन को. सो यू कैन लाइक हैव द बेस्ट, लाइक ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक योर स्किन कलर ओनली. So it's done foundation. Now after foundation you can go for concealer. I have this LA Pro Girl concealer. If you have a dark circle, like very dark under eyes, but most of the times I don't use a concealer, but since I am doing a makeup tutorial, so I'll use it a very little amount of concealer in my under eye.
Can you see any visible difference with concealer and without concealer? So obviously there is a difference, because with concealer you can conceal all your under eye scars and like those dark circles. But अगर आप normally हर दिन बाहर जा रहे हो या फिर आपको हर दिन मेकअप लगाना है, like बहुत सिंपल मेकअप रखना है, तो आप कंसीलर स्किप भी कर सकते हो. जैसे मैं करती हूँ, मैं हमेशा कंसीलर नहीं लगाती हूँ. बहुत रेयर टाइम्स में लगाती हूँ मैं कंसीलर, बिकॉज मुझे उतना ज़्यादा कंसीलर यूज़ करना पसंद नहीं है। सो यू कैन सी दोज अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स आर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक गॉन नाउ। सो दिस आई हैव डन माय
base. So now you need to bake this. Like अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और पैचीनेस ना दिखे, तो you always need to bake your foundation and your concealer. And for baking I am using this Maybelline's Fit Me. आप डब्बे का हाल से पता लगा सकते हो कि मैंने कितना यूज़ कर लिया है. So this is very 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 good for baking. Like you can trust this product blindly. बहुत अच्छे से आपका मेकअप होल्ड करने में आपको हेल्प करता है, प्लस बहुत अच्छे से इंटैक्ट रखता है मेकअप को. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज़ यू कैन यूज़ अ ब्रश, अ पाउडर ब्रश like this. You can use a powder brush to put this makeup powder, like loose powder, under your eyes and wherever you want to bake, or else you can use this with a blender. I'll use it with a blender. Like this you have to put in here and directly यहाँ आपको प्लेस करते हुए जाना है ऐसे. And same goes for this also. You just need to place this. No blending and all, just place it like this. Now what you need to do is just see what I have done. I have just put in the powder. I have not blended it because I'll do it later. Now you can go for your eyelids. So I am using this Wet n Wild का eye palette. So for beginners I guess this is the best eye palette you can have. So यहाँ पे आपको इधर ट्रांजिशन शेड मिल जाएंगे, ये वाला और ये वाला. These two are transition shades and these are all like this. These are all nude kind of shades, and these can be put in above of these shades, I guess. So you need to first use this transition shade, this or this. Then you need to put any of these 4 nude colors, and above that color you need to put any of these 4s. So just see, I'll be using this for transition.
I put in the transition shade. Now above this transition, I'll use one of the colors, I guess. So I'll be using this color right here. So I'll put this in this corner eyelid. यहाँ पे मैं इसे यूज कर रही हूँ in the corners only, just to create a good look. And same goes for here also. I'll be putting this in the corners. Like this. So you can see I'm liking it as of now. And if you want, you can add some glitters to this. Like it's not showing that well. So after this, you can always use inner corner में as a highlighter for your inner eyes.
नाउ यू नीड टू पुट अ लाइनर। तो ये नायका का लाइनर है। आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस क्योंकि ये जेल लाइनर है। ये जब मैं लगाऊंगी तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये जेल बेस्ड लाइनर हो जाता है। लाइक दिस लुक्स सो गुड आफ्टर यूजिंग इट। जस्ट सी व्हेन आई यूज इट। So the liner is done, you can see. And for eyelashes I'm using this Maybelline ka. So this is Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. So I really love this mascara. It gives a very lifted eyelashes. So you can see I put in on the mascara. Now what I'll do is I'll just blend this powder. जो powder मैंने लगाया था, I'll just blend it. I did the blending part. Now I'll use this blusher. Very cute little blusher. So this is from Color Show. This is the only blusher I have. I'm thinking of purchasing a new one, but I really like it. So you need to take this kind of brush and just take a good amount of it and dust the excess off. And
ब्लश हमेशा आपको अपने लाइट चीक्स पे लगाना होता है, स्माइल करते हुए, ताकि वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से रिफ्लेक्ट हो पाए। And for getting that natural kind of look, you can use some in your nose and here.
so it's done. And if you want, you can use highlighter. I have a highlighter with me. I'll use a little bit of highlighter. This from Wet n Wild. You can see I have this highlighter. So I'll use a bit of highlighter, a very tiniest amount. Yes, it's done now. You just need to put the lipstick on. So for lipstick, I'm using my favorite lipstick which I have from Blue Heaven, I guess. Yeah, this is Blue Heaven's lipstick. I really love this color of lipstick. It's the Splash Lip color and my shade is 307 Chocolate Mood in this. So I really love it. This is the color. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So please do like the video and share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever I post the next video. Thank you for watching.